I'm going to show you the quick way to prepare pan-fried fish fillets. Yeah. So we are going to chop our onions and garlic and boil them together with the fish fillet. And then we shall add also our spices. So now our fish is ready. We're now going to dry it a little bit in the air fryer. We're going to check on our fish. So if you want, you can wait for it longer until it's more golden. Okay, so now we are going to remove. You can leave it to cool a bit such that you can easily remove it. So we are going to heat our pan. Once it has heated up, we will add oil. And then our mixture of tomatoes, onions and garlic. I'm now going to add our fish fillet. And then carefully calm. So we are going to add some little bit of spices. We already boiled with some spices, so you don't have to put a lot. Just a little. Like 2 pinches of each. So once you see that it's drying up, you can either add the soup from the fish while you are boiling, or you can add some blended tomatoes. So just a little bit. You can also use a teaspoon to help you in the measurements. So I'll add some more soy sauce again to the desired taste and color. So now this is our pan-fried fish fillet. It's ready, served with our steamed vegetables. Hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for following us. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.